Today I'm in a Ryokan, a traditional Japanese hotel, and 5 years ago I've been here and was the best hotel experience I've ever had. Therefore now, spontaneously, I will give you a short tour of the room, and then after that we will talk about food, and that will be it for today's video. I hope you enjoy. This is the entrance area. Not much to see here. However, here we enter the main room. This is where you can sit, watch TV, and this is also where they will prepare our tongs and where we will spend the night. Now over here you can see the view. It's outside, we can see the beautiful river. Let's have a look. Then over here is the tea corner. You can make hot tea here, and this one is cold. Down here we have an empty fridge, just in case we want to cool something. And now, very importantly, over there is the bathroom. As you may know, Japanese toilets are fantastic. So is this one. Always use toilet slippers, please. This one with bidet functionality and more, as you would expect. Here's the sink. And now here's the bathroom, which is actually outside, and it's a small onsen, which means it is a hot spring with lots of minerals and very good for your skin. So here we shower, get clean first, and then into the hot tub. There's also a large onsen on this floor, but people are naked usually, so I cannot film inside. And this was a brief look at the room. As you can see, it's very minimalistic. It also has a very traditional touch to it, and that's why I like it so much. Usually I sleep much better in a ryokan than I do at home, especially because usually there's some river like here or the sea close by, which is super relaxing to me. Another great thing about ryokans is the food, so let's take a look at the food now. Before we check the food, take a look at this beautiful garden. Another good thing when you come to a ryokan is you can wear yukata like this. And a face mask like this. And now, let's take a look at the food. This is the first course. Second course is sashimi. Next, purple potato. Next is steak and a little salad. Next, here we have shiitake, crab, and in here is squid. Next we have rice, some pickled stuff, and miso soup. Finally, dessert, matcha brulee and fruits. This was dinner. Actually, we took it in the evening, so we jumped back in time now. However, there's also breakfast included, so let's go into the future and take a look at the breakfast. Breakfast looks like this. Here we have soft-boiled egg, which goes into the sauce down here. Some yogurt, pickles, rice, tuna, shrimps, salad. Here is tofu and chicken meatball and a little fish. I hope you enjoyed this rough tour. Sorry also for the rough editing and the probably bad sound. This was rather spontaneous. However, since I enjoyed this hotel so much, I wanted to give you a quick introduction at how it looks and how Japanese Ryokan experience can look like. If you want to come here as well, this one is in Kanazawa, which is in Ishikawa prefecture, on the Sea of Japan side of Japan. It's about, I think, 3 hours or so from Tokyo by Shinkansen, bullet train. And one night in this room, this one is a particularly good room, and we booked a higher class food as well, which you have seen. One night is 77,000 yen, which is about $700 US. So not something you do every day, or every week, or every month, but as I said before, every 5 years maybe. So I think that's okay. Yeah. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.